Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. I'm Mickey, and I got our filmer extraordinaires, editor extraordinaires, Victor and Nate with me today because we're stopping off at Premium Auto Styling to pick up our Subaru STI that we're going to be giving away very soon. If you guys haven't seen the car, check our previous videos. If you haven't already entered to win it, head on over to throtl.com, buy some merch, get your car parts. Every dollar you spend is an entry to win our STI. You're about to see the new look on it. None of us have seen it yet. We dropped it off to Premium and said have your way with it. So we're going to be seeing it for the first time. So I'm excited. Let's get in here and check it out. Oh man, I'm nervous to see what this thing looks like. Nervous and excited. Ring bell for service. Ding dong. The boys are here. Too late. Is that enough lower yellow for you? I actually could use a little more if I'm being honest.
Surprise.
Surprise!
They're here! Dang, they beat us.
Just a touch.
What up, brother?
Hi. How are you? I love it. I love anything that's floral yellow, so this is a nice surprise.
What's up, dude? What up, man? How are you?
Good,
What up, bro?
I love it.
Pretty cool, right?
I think so.
It's got some character.
It's got a lot of character. Man, the stuff actually, the extra parts we added actually stand out a lot more.
They do. Then over the blue. Like
Yeah,
little
the
accents on
blue
side.
kind of hit it a lot. The satin black actually makes it pop. I am too. Holy
Looks
God.
mean.
I was hoping you guys would add some floral yellow because of the brake.
We added some for sure. Like, so basically all the way around. I like that little side accent too.
Little rookie stripe on here. You guys know what a rookie stripe is? In NASCAR, rookie, well, I don't know if it still is today, but back in the day, NASCAR, all the rookie drivers had a fluoro stripe on the back wing or in the back of the car so that the other drivers knew they were a rookie driver. Yes, this is perfect.
It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So initially
Exactly how we
everybody's like, you're covering up the carbon hood. But once it's done and then you see the design, it actually looks really cool. So part of the package that we made together has the grill pin. So the Amber Delete, the grill pin, the side stripe right here on the side on the side skirt, then also the rear bumper pin stripe.
That's part of the kit?
So there's, we got a kit with throttle that's gonna be on the website, but it has a bunch of these pre-cuts all in it. So it's gonna look cool. So basically anybody who has these cars is gonna have the ability to put the throttle kit, customizing pinstripe kit on their car.
Legit.
But the headlight delete is dope.
Yeah, it is.
Dude, I love this part right here. Like, we wrap so many of these, but I've never seen this lip that goes in like that.
The lip, yeah.
That's so dope. That's that. You guys happy with it?
Yeah, absolutely.
If you're happy, I'm happy.
I'm still looking for the sticker.
Oh, it's there. You guys will find it. You guys will find it, but it's definitely there. Here we go. Here we go.
Dude, thanks so much.
Yeah, of course.
As always, you guys outdid yourselves.
Love you, brother.
Yep.
Thanks for letting us do another project.
We love it when we drop cars off here because we always know we're gonna get the premium work back.
Yeah, and a little on the bottom of the car. You'll find it.
I'll be honest.
Or the winner will find it.
We were contemplating whether TJ set us up for a movie.
You thought something was coming?
We thought something was up.
I couldn't destroy this car like we did the last one. I couldn't do that to this one. This one's, it just looks awesome. You know, satin black on any car for whatever reason just brings out the body lines. It shows all the things that you don't see with the factory paint. For whatever reason, it pops all the body lines. I mean, look at the hood. If you see the hood,
and even the little winglets on the wing.
Yeah. When someone gets a wrap, we always tell them for over the next 2 weeks, keep an eye on the wrap. Make sure that nothing's moving around. Let it cure. Let it bake in the sun all you want. Okay. And if anything does pop up, you know, it is a wrap. There is the potential that something could fail, but we're here to take care of it. So just keep me posted. Let me know how it's going.
I'll keep an eye on it, and we'll wash it with sandpaper.
There you go. There you go. Drive through a couple car washes. Enjoy, guys.
Oh, dude. What? Yeah.
Looks sick.
That's like my STI?
Yeah, Vic's taking this one. Oh, the hood. Dude. Oh, look at this too. I just noticed that. The headlight overwear.
Oh, yeah, the overlay. Stealth bomber.
Yeah. Oh my. Looks sick. Daniel, you guys killed it. As usual. Nice little subtle hits. Stealthed out. Matches the new merch. Woo! Damn. These look sicker too. Everything looks so dope. These look sick.
Yeah, like
new
that.
Product.
Gloss, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
they made it gloss.
That's dope.
So it's gloss up the center, basically.
Bro, Daniel and the boys, you guys killed it. It looks really, really good. Like I had envisioned, because I kind of know their style already. I watched their YouTube and I see what they've done for us, and I already had kind of like a mental picture of what it's gonna look like. Nothing like this. It looks way better than what I was envisioning. Sick, guys. Thank you.
All right, we got hoodies for everyone.
We got hoodies.
We got large.
All right, Vic.
Fire.
Oh, these are super nice.
Woo! Looks, dude, the black with the gray.
With a quick little.
All right, guys, well, we're back here with our Subaru. It looks absolutely sick with the satin black and the floor yellow accents. But we've got a bunch of carbon bits from RPG Carbon that we ordered up for this car, and most of it goes under the hood, but there are a couple items that go, 2 pieces that go on the exterior and 2 pieces that go on the interior. I'm gonna go ahead and toss those on right now, and then we're gonna work on the engine bay and get it all carboned out. All right, we got the first one on. Go ahead and wipe this light off. Get the second one tossed on here. I think it's a good look, Nate. Did you show them the other side yet, bro?
Yep.
Beauty. Let's get a little heat in here since I think it's in the 60s today here in San Diego and rainy, so it's kind of a lousy day for us, but the stuff doesn't like to really adhere very well in the cold weather. I like it. With the rest of the little carbon hits. It's a good look. I like how they're also like 3D, which is pretty cool. So it actually has a lot of shape to it. Makes it look like an evil eye, like an eyebrow.
Dude, I love how this has turned out. Premium killed it with the wrap too. So this is how we always paint the carbon fiber hoods, where we leave the vents exposed. And they must have done this with knifeless tape, I'm assuming, because it turned out sick. I love how this is exposed as well. And then the carbon eyelids from RPG just kind of tie everything together. Dude, this is aggressive.
This is these are interior pieces. Actually, this goes on the dash. And inside these cars, like a lot of cars, just have like a chintzy little plastic insert. So RPG makes these cool carbon covers. We're gonna go ahead and toss these bad boys in and see how they look.
That looks really good. Hell yeah.
Definitely adds a nice touch. Little cabron. So we picked up these cool little carbon fiber fog light covers. They basically bolt on to the front fog light. This is a fog light blank, because a lot of these cars actually come with fog lights. Our STI does not have them, and we didn't really care for the look, to be honest, so we went ahead and bought these fog light covers. These are a la like rally car fog light cover style, and they would normally say STI or Subaru Technica or something on them. We've got some ideas for that, but I want to go ahead and get these mounted up. Now, one thing that stands out to me is it looks kind of weird with this mesh in the background, and this is an injection molded part with an air guide, basically just plastic welded onto the back. So I'm going to remove the air guide because it's not really doing anything. I've looked behind the bumper. So what I'm going to do is just section this a little bit and retain that, but allow us to have a see-through window on this that doesn't show the mesh in the background. So a little trick with black plastic, when you use a razor blade or something on it and cut it, it turns white. But you can use a little torch or even a heat gun, put a little heat on it and soften the plastic, and it'll actually turn it back to black. It'll also smooth out all the rough edges, or if there are any little plastic hangers or rough hangers that are on there that you couldn't get with a razor knife, you can just kind of heat them up. Now we don't have any sharp edges, and we also don't have any of that white plastic exposed. So I want it to look nice and smooth, and that's how we look now. Once that's down here, you won't even see it. Alright, well, if you guys know your Subarus, you know that these fog light covers are quite synonymous with the older generations. We like the way they look. We went ahead and added our throtl STI style logo to them to make them look a little more like the older style covers. Went ahead and trimmed this out, as you saw, and popped them back into the bumper. I think they look fantastic. One thing we should mention is these are not an RPG carbon fiber part. These were sourced from a third party, so don't get that confused with all the rest of the carbon we're putting on the car today. All right, we finished up the front bezels, went ahead and tossed the rear exhaust trim pieces on, and now we're onto the engine bay. We're replacing our air intake snorkel with this beautiful carbon fiber piece from RPG with this plastic piece that used to be in there, and just transferring over some of the hardware and those things so that it fits like a stock part. All right, the carbon fiber snorkel is in. It's as simple as just popping it into the airbox and putting the new fasteners on. One part that doesn't come on the STI is this little cover, which they've also made out of carbon. But what this is going to do, it actually captures the air that comes through the front grill opening and actually seals off the pickup for the air intake, which is pretty cool. So it's effectively making it a more direct cold airflow intake, which is pretty neat. The bumper just has holes here, which allows air to just kind of come through, and it goes throughout the whole engine bay. This is going to make sure that that air gets directed directly into our air box. I like it. Now let's see how it fits. One thing I really like is they had the forethought to actually match the weave from the air intake tube to the little air guide. So as you see the weave, it actually carries the same direction all the way through the part, even though they're two separate parts. Nice thinking on their part. This is a cool bit. This is the fuse panel cover, and it basically is just an overlay. So I just went ahead and threw a piece of sticky tape on the backside, and the thing sits on there so well that I don't even actually think it needs the tape. The fit is so snug, but it'll help keep it from moving around. What do you think, Ricky?
There's never enough carbon.
I kind of wish there was more. It's like,
Just one big.
yeah. Can you just make one cover? All right, well, I'm gonna be working on a couple other things on the Subaru. Ricky's gonna start getting these prepped for paint. These are awesome replacements for the little STI badges on the front fenders. One of our subscribers sent these to us. These are like a 3D printed replacement badge.
Really good quality.
Yeah, they're really nice quality. So looking forward to getting these sprayed. And we also have some other little carbon parts from Sabon that we're gonna throw on the fenders as well with these.
I'm gonna get the paint.
And I got some special touches we're gonna do these.
Cool.
Too. So that's a wrap on the RPG Carbon products. Shout out to them. We love working with them. They make some really unique stuff. And also really happy with the way the fog light covers turned out as well with our pseudo Subaru logos on the front, which is pretty cool. And one of you guys is gonna be lucky enough to win it. Head on over to throtl.com. Every dollar you spend on the new merch, or any merch for that matter, or the car parts you've been wanting, is an entry to win this thing. So get your entries in, guys, because this thing is almost ready to be given away.